Long ago, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a young queen named Arya. She ruled over a prosperous land with green forests and sparkling rivers. Queen Arya was known for her kind heart and gentle nature. Unlike other rulers who enjoyed grand feasts and noisy celebrations, Queen Arya preferred quiet walks in the palace gardens. She loved to listen to the birds sing and watch butterflies dance from flower to flower. The queen was so sensitive that she could feel the emotions of others. When her subjects were happy, she felt their joy, but when they were sad or troubled, their pain weighed heavily on her heart. One day, a group of farmers came to the palace. They were worried because there hadn't been rain for weeks, and their crops were dying. Queen Arya listened carefully to their concerns. That night, she couldn't sleep. She tossed and turned, thinking about the farmers and their families. How would they survive without food? The queen's heart ached with worry. The next morning, Queen Arya called her advisors.
"We must help our people,"
she declared.
"Let's dig wells and build water channels to bring water from the river to the farms."
Her advisors were surprised.
"But Your Majesty,"
one said,
"that will cost a lot of money. We'll have to use gold from the royal treasury."
Queen Arya stood tall and replied,
"The happiness of our people is worth more than any gold. We'll use whatever we need to help them."
For weeks, the queen worked alongside her people, digging and building. Her soft hands became rough and calloused, but she didn't mind. She shared the farmers' hope as the water flowed to the dry fields. Slowly, the crops began to grow again. The farmers' faces, once creased with worry, now shone with smiles. Queen Arya felt their relief and joy as if it were her own. As harvest time approached, the kingdom celebrated. There was music and dancing in the streets. Queen Arya watched from her balcony, her heart full of happiness. An old farmer approached her and bowed.
"Your Majesty,"
he said,
"your kindness saved us all. We'll never forget what you've done."
Tears filled the queen's eyes as she replied,
"We are all one people. Your troubles are my troubles, and your joys are my joys."
From that day on, Queen Arya was loved even more by her people. They saw that her sensitive nature was not a weakness, but a great strength that brought them all together.